Welcome. Yes, everybody, calm down. Please take your seats. Put your phones on do not disturb mode, or please make sure that your phones are silenced during this video. So before we get into today's lecture, I just want to say thank you to Hurricane Hillary for canceling school tomorrow. Today it is currently Sunday, and guess what? I don't have school tomorrow. So thank you, Hurricane Hillary, even though it's like a little bit of rain, but you know what? I'm not complaining though. But if you are watching this video, you are in high school just like me. You are thankful that you, hopefully, if you're in California at least, that you have the day off tomorrow because of the hurricane that hit. But if you are in high school, you're watching this video, you were trying to learn how to make $10,000 a month. Do not worry, you have made it to the right video. So let's get into the first thing. If you are trying to learn how to make $10,000 a month, first of all, you need to start by breaking that up. So let's just say there's 31 days in a month, right? If you take 10,000 and divide it by 31, that is about $325 a day. So now with that being in mind, you got to think to yourself, what can make me $325 a day or more? So there's two ways you could do this. First of all, getting a job, that's already out the window. Yeah, you got to have like some career, you got to have like a college degree to get that type of money. So working a job, that's already out the window. The next thing that you can do is either you can have a service-based business or you can have a product-based business. Those are two main types of businesses in this world. So you go to a car wash, that's a service. You buy a necklace from me, that's a product. By the way, they are out now, Girl Like a Day US, right there down below to go shop. They both have their upsides, they both have their downsides. The main thing with a service business is that you only have so many hours in a day to work. Like, you're gonna have to stop at some point unless you run 24 hours, which I'm pretty sure if you're in high school, that's gonna be pretty hard to do. And then with products, you have to worry about products getting lost in the mail, this customer is complaining, you have to worry about shipping, you have to manage inventory, you have to get custom packaging, you have to buy shipping label. Like, it's like a whole bunch. Like, each one has its own upside and its own downside. So you really gotta choose which one you want to do. You want to do a service or you want to offer a product. But with that being said, if you are selling products, it's really easy to scale that and make $10,000 plus a month. Like, you can make easily $10,000 if you do the right things, put the right procedures in place, scale it, you're good. Also, what you guys can do is sneaker resell. I'm trying to tell you guys, sneaker reselling, you can resell anything, bro. There's like so many niches out there that you can sell to. Like, just don't be close to like shoes and clothes. You can sell anything and still make the same amount of money that you will make selling shoes and clothes. Just decide, what do you want to sell it, bro. Trust me, you can sell, like, go to a thrift store, you can make easily $10,000 a month selling like little dolls and stuff. Like, all the girls watching right now, if you know stuff about like dolls, rare dolls, antique dolls and stuff like that, easily go into the thrift store, buy a few, resell on like eBay, Mercari, any other like platform like that, easily make $10,000 a month doing that. But you got to be consistent with it. As soon as you start like slowing down, no, oh, I'm gonna take the day off, I'm kind of tired from school. No, you gotta work every single day. As soon as you get home, drop your backpack, work. If you play sports, I don't know how that's gonna work because sports take up a lot of time. You know, you gotta go to your games, you gotta do practice, and if you're just starting a business, you're gonna have to put in a lot of hours. If you're playing sports, good luck. But if you don't have anything else going on like outside of school, like as soon as school ends, you don't have like any other activities or anything to do, you're good. I get out of school at like 2. I have until 2 to 10 p.m. to make something happen. Or you guys might get out of school at 3. You used to have 3 to 10 to make something happen. Really, just get home, start grinding, go to the store, go resell, whatever you're gonna do it. You can cut hair in school, be like, hey, you want a haircut? I can do it after school. Whatever you want to do, as soon as you get home from school, do it. Don't go home, go sit on the couch, go sit in your room and start playing video games, eating chips, eating pizza. No, you can't do that. You're trying to make $10,000 a month, all that gotta go out the window. All that scrolling on TikTok for like 10 hours straight, I gotta go. Playing video games, go ahead and sell that Xbox, go ahead and sell that PS4, because you are not gonna have time for that. Trust me. Watching TV, I gotta go too. So really, it's about like coming home and just grinding. If you work every single day for this whole entire school year, just come home, work, take one day out of the week off, like a Saturday off or a Sunday off if you want to, because that's what I do. I work every single day non-stop, but Saturday, that's kind of like my rest day. Sunday, that's kind of like my rest day. I'm still working, but it's not as hard, you know. You gotta have like a little work-life balance. You can't just like work 24/7. Like, you're gonna go crazy. Like, you gotta have some type of balance in your life. But yeah, Saturday, it's kind of like my chill day. You know, I go to LA, go to car meets, whatever I want to do, go out there and go hang out. But at the same time, I'm still shooting content for my brand, still like trying to make sales while I'm out there, still trying to meet people, potential customers while I'm out there. So it's never like really like a full break that I'm taking, but you know, I'm kind of just like chilling, like having fun, but still working at the same time. If you have a business, just know that you are always going to be working. Your employees, they'll get there at 12 and they'll leave at 4, but you can get there at like 7 in the morning and you can clock out out at 8 p.m. So just know, having a business is not easy like everybody else make it seem. It's definitely work, grind, hustle, sweat, tears, all that behind this. But really, I don't want to say like the little cliche stuff like clothing brand, drop shipping. Like I don't even want to say that to you guys. Really, just come up in your head. Just think like this: if there's a problem or something in your town, in your states, in your city, in your school, come up with a product or a service that can solve that problem. With that advice right there, you easily gonna be sitting on 10K a month with that advice alone. Bro, there's so much money out here, bro. I don't even want to tell you guys the drop shipping stuff, the clothing brand. I know you heard it like a million times already. You're not trying to hear it on this video too. So really, just think of something, execute it. If it doesn't work out, move on to the next thing. If it's not working out, but you need something to make it work out, figure out what you gotta do, make it pop off. You'll know like if something's not working out, you just move on to the next thing. If you know it's gonna work out, but it's not right now, keep grinding until it does. If it never pops off, move on to the next thing. Trust me, if you're watching this video, you're in high school, you have time, you have college. If you don't want to go to college, you'll have what, like your early 20s to keep trying stuff. 18, 19, you'll still have time to keep trying stuff. Do not give up. Like that's the number one lesson, bro. Do not give up. If you lose money, who cares? You're 17, 16, 15 watching this video. Dude, you'll get that back. Don't be scared to lose money, but also be smart with your money too. Don't just go throw money away like that. Anything that's on your mind, do it. Whatever product you want to sell, whatever service you want to do. For my girls watching, you want to start doing lashes, you want to start doing hair, you want to be like a stylist, whatever you want to do that. Don't take the drop shipping clothing brand route. It's cool, but come on, there's so many other ways to make money. You don't have to do what everybody else is doing to make money. Do what you want to do. You gonna make even more than them. But what I will tell you, if you are gonna like branch off and do your own thing, please do not be all over the place. If you were gonna do your own thing, stick to a like this, get in that niche, take over. Every time somebody, let's say the sneaker niche for instance, let's pretend like it's like super duper small. Let's just say all I posted was like how to lace shoes, how to clean shoes, how to the newest sneaker release, how to style the shoes. Let's pretend, right, the sneaker niche is like super duper small. So every time somebody would think of like a shoe, they'll think of buying a shoe, they'll think of how to clean that shoe, how to lace that shoe, they're coming to me. But if I was a business, they're gonna buy from me. So let's say I was selling cleaning products, shoelaces, which I do sell shoelaces by the way. I was also reselling shoes on my website. I'm gonna get all that money. It's gonna all come to me because every time somebody like searches up something, how to lace this shoe, how to clean that shoe, guess who's gonna pop up? Me. So really what it's all about, sticking to a niche, niching down, going all in on that niche. Billions of people in this world, and you're trying to worry about trying to be appealing to everybody. Dude, if you stick to like this little small niche right here, that's easily 100,000 people right here, 500,000 people right here. You're good. Oh, I know a product that I sold, freaking a fish bottle opener. Dude, like who buys that? But guess what? I sold it. I make money. I made a lot of money actually. So you see, this is like stuff like that. Who thinks of a fish bottle opener? But guess what? It was still making me sales though. Like, but there's a niche out there for that. There's people out there that want to buy that. Definitely car detailing, especially if you're in California, you can make a bag of car detailing. Like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. I actually thought of doing that. Just think of anything, do it, go all in. You're young, go all in. If it doesn't work out, move on to the next thing. Take all the information, all the knowledge, all the losses, all the wins that you learn from trying to pursue that business, take it to the next thing, and that next thing should be successful. If not, take that L again, learn from it, move on to the next thing. Eventually something is going to pop off. Also, I will throw in this advice right here: always surround yourself with people who are trying to do better, or always surround yourself around motivated people. You know, they're always going to the gym, they never take a day off, they're always posting on YouTube, they never take a break from it, they're always going all in on something. They're all in on something. It doesn't matter what it is, because if you surround yourself with people that just play video games all day, they are not going to be any type of benefit to you. You're gonna ask them for some advice and you'll be like, but you ask that person who hits the gym every day for some like advice for YouTube, he can take what he's been learning from the gym and he can implement it towards your YouTube. Be like, hey, go all in every single day, post, even if you don't feel like it. Like at the gym, you may not feel like working out, your legs may be sore, but guess what, you're still going. He can give you that same advice, you can implement it for your YouTube. Even though you don't feel like posting, keep posting like every single day. Grind. Also, what I just realized is that most of you guys will probably be starting with $0 or most definitely under $1,000, which that is easy. I know that everybody watching this video has something in their house that they can sell and get some money from. And for me, how I got started with my whole entire entrepreneur journey, YouTube, all that, with one pair of shoes. It was the Jordan 11 Concord that I cannot fit anymore because my feet grew. I think it was like a size 8 and those shoes were a size 6.5, so I outgrew them and I sold them for like $110. So then I just took that money right there, invested into some more shoes, kept buying shoes, kept reselling, kept making money took my profit, reinvested it, and then boom, now I took that money, put it into other things, and now I'm making money on multiple platforms. So you guys can do the same. Just take something that you're not using anymore in the house. I know it is something, post it on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, eBay, whatever, sell it at school. If you know somebody that's looking for it, sell it to them, whatever it is, or something really easy that you guys can do. I know somebody has a lawnmower that you can borrow, or you have one, you have something that a weed picker, a weed puller, something like that, and go pull people's weeds, go mow people's lawns, go plow people's snow. Just do that, keep doing that. Take that money that you make, $1,000, save it up, and then put it into your first business, and then take your profit, keep reinvesting it, keep reinvesting it. Do not spend it on stuff like this until you have a lot of money coming in monthly. Like I said, $10,000 a month coming in. This little freaking, what, let's just say $500 max won't really hurt that much if you're making 10K a month, just depending on how much profit you're making. But at the beginning, always make sure, take your money that you're making, reinvest it. Do not spend it on clothes and shoes. Trust me, you will have time to do that in the future. But in the beginning, it is most important that you keep reinvesting your money so you can level up your business every single day, every single week. Also, I know that a lot of people do want to pursue YouTube. Like me, I feel like I am certified to talk on this topic now that I am at 6,000 subs and one of my videos are almost at 100,000 views. If you do want to do YouTube, just know this is like a job. YouTube is not easy like everyone claims it to be. There's a lot of hard work behind this, a lot of grinding, a lot of insight, research on your videos. It's a job for sure. So just know that you're not gonna hop on here and then blow up like that. Nope, I have been posting for, let's see, I think I've been posting for like a good year now. I'm gonna go check my channel, my first video. For this, I have been posting for a year. Here's my first video. All right, I don't know if it'll like focus or not. Anyways, here's my first video right here. I posted that a year ago. It has 3,600 views now, and my first video was called calithekid $10,000 sneaker collection 2022 edition. So just know it has definitely been a grind. This did not happen overnight, but I did get lucky though. My third video in, wait, no, my fourth video in, it got 21,000 views, so I did get lucky. Mason Mahara sneaker unboxing, which is these ones right here. I got lucky, I'm not gonna lie. But I think when I did post that video, it blew up like recently within like the last 6 months or so. So it didn't blow up like as soon as I posted it. It's been like getting views like every single month. It's been going like that. But at the beginning, I think it was like kind of flat, and then it just started like picking up traction. So still, I did not blow up in the beginning. So if you are gonna start YouTube, just know that you have to be super duper consistent. What I told my homie, that if you want to start YouTube, post 100 videos of videos like this, of course, not shorts, not posts, whatever, videos like this. Post 100 of them, and then you could start like, you, when I say post, you gotta like boom boom boom, like every day, every other day, you need to be posting videos like this, long form content. After you hit 100 videos, then you can start slowing down, slowly start to like focus on quality, because now you already have 100 videos. That's plenty for people to binge watch. But I do put a lot of effort into my editing. It takes me sometimes 1 day or 2 days just to finish editing. Also, it takes me like another, what, 1 day, 2 days to get my thumbnail done. So I do put a lot of effort into my YouTube videos. It's not, I just don't throw them out there no more. But I will be dropping another video on how to scale your YouTube channel, really like the insights on YouTube, because YouTube is a business. So just know it's gonna take a whole nother separate video for me to run down every single step on how to grow your YouTube channel from zero. But what you can do, if you do have a following on Instagram or TikTok already, just try to convert those people over to your YouTube channel like I did. I easily got, what, 100, 200 followers, subs, my bad, within like the first week from getting people from my TikTok to follow me, and then all my friends from my Instagram to follow me. Also, I'm gonna give you guys some money advice now. You want to always invest your money when you are a teenager. I know it's super duper tempting to buy dumb stuff like this. Go buy a luxury car like this right here. As you can see, it's not the smart decision. It's not the right thing to do. What you want to do, get your nice little reliable car. Oh, just know I don't be wearing stuff like this on a daily. So just know I don't wear like $1,000 fits on a daily. Nope. I be wearing a little $10 t-shirt right here, as you guys can see, and then some Nike jogging pants, and then what, some slides or some Jordan 4s. Something like super duper comfortable every single day now. I do not dress up at all at this point. I just love being comfortable at this point. But anyways, unless, the only exception is if you are a content creator, if this is how you make your money, car videos, car like how-tos, or if you are a fashion person that does like get ready with me's, outfit of the day, stuff like that. But those are the only two exceptions. But if you're just like wearing it just to wear it, just to show off, no, we're not doing that. With me, I get free clothes sent to me to wear them for my little outfit videos and stuff. But that is the only exception to buying expensive stuff if you're gonna use it to grow and scale your channel or your social media following. Also, do not be scared to invest your money. I know it may be scary. You may be like, oh my gosh, I'm not gonna get it back, or I'm gonna lose it, or in best case scenario, you will double it. Do not be scared to invest your money. Always do that first. If you lose it, you'll get it back. Trust me, if you double it, triple it, quadruple it, good for you. do that again, keep doing that. So really, just like really do not be scared to niche down. There's money to be made everywhere, every single niche. Fishing, babysitting, whatever it is, niche down. I saw this example the other day. People trying to sell courses on like, yeah, it was about time management. Guess what? Time management. If you're trying to sell a course on time management, dude, that's huge. They're gonna be like, why should I buy this? But let's say you niche down. The video said how to time manage if you're a nurse working night shift. Dude, how to manage your time. 3 million people out of 10,000 nurses that see that, they're gonna buy. They're gonna be like, this must be for me. I've been looking for this. They're gonna buy without even thinking about it. Also, I do want to say you're going to have to put in that work. I know you be seeing the TikToks, them late nights, whatever, were worth it. They not lying. Starting a business, whatever you're gonna do, mowing lawns is not easy. Everything is a grind. You are gonna have to work, whether you want to hear that or not. If you don't want to do it, guess what? McDonald's is always hiring. Just remember that. So if you don't want to work, you can go work for somebody else. So you choose what you want to do. That being said, you can take your phone back out, you can turn off D&D, but just remember what I said in this video. Go replay if you need to. But I just dropped a whole bunch of gems. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, let me know any questions that you guys have about starting a business while still in high school, or starting side hustle while still in high school. Talk to me. I will answer every single question that you guys have in the comments down below. It's been Kelly the Kid. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.